I always feel so weird starting a video, like, what do I even do? Hi guys, it's Tani, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to film I think I want to do like my go-to clubbing look. However, I want to use like some of these gold shades that I haven't used before, because normally I use a very soft like rose gold color on the lid, but I want to try something maybe a little bit more like a smoky brown eye with gold on the lid. So yeah, I'm just gonna wing it, so let's just get straight into it. So first up, I'm going to prep my eyelids, and to do that I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. So I'm just popping that on and then blending it in with a damp beauty blender. And then I'm going to set it in place with the Australis Fresh and Flawless, I always get that one twisted, Fresh and Flawless face powder. And then of course I'm going to take my all-time favourite James Charles X Morphe palette. So I'm just starting with a nice light brown transition colour, and then going in with a deeper brown just to deepen it up a little bit. And then using a deep, almost black colour, I am just going to further deepen up the outer corner of my eye. And then just using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Concealer, I'm just going to do a half cut crease. This is surprisingly the neatest I've ever done a half cut crease, proving I'm not very good at them. And then I'm just going to take the foiled gold shade from the palette and just tap that on with my finger. I found it worked better with my finger rather than a brush. And now I'm just going to do a nice wing, so I'm changing it up and using the Chi Chi liquid liner today. And staying in frame, which I'm really good at. And then just using the High Impact Mascara by Clinique and just coating my top lashes. And what else would I prime with other than the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour Hydrator? Use this every single day. And I am just going to take a mix of the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation and then the NARS Sheer Glow foundation as well. They're my two favourite foundations, but I don't have them in the right shades. One's too light and one's too dark, which is why I thought, why not mix them both? And then just popping some concealer under my eyes. I took a mix of the Clinique concealer and then the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And I'm just highlighting down the center of my face as well. And I've been loving cream contour lately. I'm using the Clinique Chubby Stick in Curvy Contour. And I am literally obsessed with the look it gives my skin. I didn't realize how easy they are to work with. So yeah, I've been using that for the last month maybe. And then to set that all in place, I'm just going to take the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm not going to bake today, I'm just going to tap it gently underneath my eyes and then just anywhere where I get a little bit oily, so normally just a bit around my nose. And then just for underneath my eyes, I'm just going to pretty much take the same colours I used on my eyelid and then just blend those all underneath my eye and smoke them out. And just coating my lashes with some mascara. And to do my brows, I am using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I really have been loving this for over a year now. It's my go-to brow product. I find pomades the easiest to work with as well. And then just using the Gimme Brow to give my brows a little bit more texture and volume back. And to highlight my inner corner, I'm just taking that nice white shimmery shade from the palette, and then I'm also taking that on my brow bone as well. And then I'm just going to deepen up the contour a little bit, so I'm taking the Hoola
bronzer by Benefit. I've been really loving a harsh contour lately. Just really blended a little bit more, but I love the look of a harsh contour. And I'm just taking a nice peachy blush. So this is the blushing blush in the shade Aglow by Clinique. I've been loving putting it on the high points of my cheeks lately, and then just blending it in with my contour. And then I'm just taking the Maybelline, I think it's called the Chrome Highlighter, Master Chrome, and just popping that on all the high points of my face, so cheekbones and my nose and Cupid's bow. And then a lipstick I recently rediscovered was the, I don't know what it's called, but it's by Tarte, and it's this beautiful deep berry tone, and I'm obsessed with it. I think it looks really nice.
Okay guys, that is the final look. I am obsessed. I don't know if it's this lip color. I feel like the lip really tied everything together. But I never really wear cool tones on my eyes or really gold. I am more of, like I said, like a rose gold, or maybe even like, I don't really wear eyeshadow that much. But I am literally obsessed with this look. This is now my new go-to. Especially this lip. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this lip color. And I look super pale at the moment, so I feel like it looks really nice. Thanks. Well, I really hope that you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please, please, please like and subscribe. I'm aiming to get 50 subscribers by June, if possible. But yeah, leave me any comments. I love talking to you guys in the comments. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video, like I always say in every outro. Bye!